Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Stone Creative Storm. Finally, biggest hiring is announced. The role is trainee software developer, data analyst intern, as well as 27 different role job opening. 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 can apply. I have request from all of you guys, like and share the video. We are putting lot of efforts for all of you, and just see that Creative Storm Berlin based company, and total 27 role open yesterday 28/10/2024. Freshers can apply, recent graduate can apply, and remote internship opportunity. Okay, remote internship, data analyst intern, there are multiple roles. Okay, so first company is Creative Storm, second company is Stone. They are hiring for trainee software developer. Cisco is also hiring, Zoho is also hiring, Quest Global is also hiring. We will discuss about in detail. Okay, so basically 19 hours ago you can see that on the Creative Storm there are multiple roles opening are there. Junior backend developer. Okay, so if you see the junior backend developer, so you will find all the details. Okay, you are pursuing or having a degree in computer science, you can apply. Okay, software engineer intern, business analyst, data analyst, junior business analyst, everything, all roles are there. Okay, like most probably 27 roles are there. Okay, it is for experience as well, freshers as well. If you have 1 to 3 years of experience, you can also apply. Okay, suppose you see the junior financial planner role. Okay, so in that they mention that pursuing or having a degree, so they need experience of 1 to 3 year, but in some of the recruitment they did not want any of the experience. Freshers can apply. So if you are from 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 batch, apply for opportunity. I will give the separate link with all of you. Okay, you can apply, and you can check the whole job description here. You have to just mention India and click on search, so you will find the India related jobs. Next opportunity is from Stone. It is also a good company. Trainee software developer, Gurgaon, Gurugram is the location. On site, 0 to 1 year BTech MTech in computer science. So the thing is, if you have experience in database, you can apply. So basically, if you are from 24 23 batch, if you have a 0 to 1 year of experience, you can apply for opportunity. Cisco is hiring for software engineer role, network embedded application. Only 24 batch is eligible for this opportunity. You are in a bachelor's or master's degree. Zoho is hiring for software developer. Tenskasi is the location. Experience is 1 to 5 year. So if you are from 2020 to 23 batch, you can apply. Up to 23 can apply for the opportunity. Okay, so like basically freshers and candidate graduating in 25 are not eligible. So up to 23 means till 23, so you can try to apply. Next hiring is from Quest Global. They are hiring for C++ embedded software engineer, BE BTech ME MTech in electronics. So the thing is, this is a mandatory, but they did not mention about any year of experience. So if you are freshers, if you have a skill based, you can apply. I hope you like the video. This is the hirings. Okay, apply for opportunity. I will give the separate link in the comment section description. Thanks for watching the video.